Hi, I am Himanshu Suri, and I'm the principal architect at Architect Suri and Associates. We are a young and dynamic architecture practice firm based out of Panchkula and practicing since the year 2009. Well, today I'm here to explain my project, which is basically a co-working space by the name of Magnet Cowork. Situated in the Industrial and Business Park in Chandigarh, Magnet Cowork holds a favorable business potential owing to its location. Well, Magnet Cowork has been designed with an intention to shape up an interactive communal space for an occupancy of about 100 people within an envelope of 2,600 square feet. The engaging zones have been created with the help of a mezzanine and volumetric play of heights, through which the project expanded to an astonishing 4,000 square foot area. The design brief for this project was very simple, was to create a co-working space that aims to optimize its spatial use in order to maximize rental yields. The layout in primary is of this co-working space is the main game changer. Housed in an old industrial building with a clear height of 15 feet, aided the ability for us to bend the volume with an addition of a dynamic mezzanine floor. The design of this space was not just about its floor layout, but also the section in volume, wherein visual connection between different spaces were created to be enough to instigate and promote human interaction. To make the maximum out of rental yields and also to make the community working space an interactive area, different zones in the whole floor layout has been divided. The first being the formal cabins, which are actually the private cabin spaces of varying capacity and which can also be combined into a single bigger cabin if required. Then there is a section with open seats, which are basically collaborative formal workstation areas on different levels, on a mezzanine level and on the lower level as well. We also introduced a concept of floating seats, which are basically collaborative informal workstations in recreational zones. So a tenant can apply to subscribe to floating seats, and wherein they have the flexibility to be able to sit in recreational areas or these open OAT steps wherever they require. In addition to the formal and informal workstation and work areas, a community workspace like a co-work also requires meeting areas and formal meeting areas, wherein we have used the concept of an ideas room, which is like a conference room and open to anybody and free of charge to be used by. Moving ahead, there is a concept of social steps. So to terminate the mezzanine floor, we added these OAT step sitting, which are basically informal areas intended to be used for discussion sessions. Then there is the play lounge areas and the cafe, basically for recreational and informal socializing. In addition to the layout and the sectional use and the capability of bending the volume into our purpose, the design approach of this project can be described in three major sections, one being the color palette. And the idea was to use subtle colors with only accent splashes of color to keep the energy within the envelope upbeat but not very overpowering also. Second being the material palette, the powerful industrial material palette of metal, wood and glass were used in order to create a harmonious yet raw. Third being the shape dynamics, the interior spaces have been made more dynamic by introducing free-flowing lines, be it in the partition screen or false ceilings, in order to lead the vision throughout the space, breaking the visual barrier between different volumes. Hence, we would conclude with this final question. Is the perfect balance between formal and informal spaces is what makes a workplace?